What's up, freaks and geeks? It is Chris with Flip the World, out here on a Sunday just watching the children's play in the front yard. Wanted to share an app I stumbled across today. Honestly, it was last night, which I stayed up most of the night using it. It is an app that you can use to get white background photos anywhere, right on your phone. I'm sure there's been a million videos done on it, and I'm just late to the party, but I'm sure all those videos are boring because those people have no personality. So stick around. I'm gonna show you a game changer that you can literally list while you're in the thrift or in the grass or in the car. I'm gonna show you. Let's get into it. All right, so last night I was uploading photos that I had taken from the 12 pair of shoes that I picked up from my last video. There's a link for that one down here. And I stumbled across this app called PhotoRoom. Should be the little logo right there. And I clicked on it just trying to see, I've used apps before to try to get white backgrounds. And really what it is I noticed that eBay is trying to get more like Amazon, where they want your main photo or your stock photo to be white background. The rest of your photos can be fine, but they want that stock photo to have that nice white look when customers or consumers are scrolling through the search engine. So what I've been doing is going and switching all of my main photos using the eBay tool, which if any of you have used it, you know it is horrible. It doesn't white out everything, and you have to sit there with your finger and pretty much erase to make the image look partially good. But anyway, this app, PhotoRoom, takes care of everything. It even adds shadows. You can do effects. You can use the app. It has preset settings for Etsy, Poshmark, eBay, Facebook, YouTube. I actually made the thumbnail for this video with the app, so I wanted to show you how easy it is, because that's the best way to show. Instead of telling you and you're looking at my ugly face, I just show you. So let me go ahead and flip this camera around. All right, so let's say you just left the thrift. You found this pair of Hakas. You want to get them listed because they're already clean, ready to go. So boom, I just set up in the back of my car real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take a photo. Just take the photo using the same camera while I'm filming. And now I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to the screen record so you can see exactly what I'm gonna do. So go ahead and pull up the home screen, click on the little app for the photo room. Boom. Start from photos, it'll pull up your photo wall. That's the image we just took. And boom, it's now got a white background. Just scroll down, you can click on classic. It'll open up, you hit that little square with the up arrow, and that's gonna go ahead and save the image. You can save it directly to your photo album or post it on Instagram, whatever, save it to a hard drive file, export it, whatever you want. Now, if you go, there's a bunch of different templates. Blank Etsy, you got eBay, Poshmark, portrait mode, landscape, Insta story. I mean, they have all different sizes already ready as a template for free. There's also places where you can change color. I like to use this Shopify template. It has that nice shadow underneath it. But then what I do is I go down to the background and I adjust the background color and I make it white. I then blow the picture up large so it looks better. Boom. And then I will save it. And then what I go is I go to my actual phone and then I pull the image up and then I crop it to remove the little photo room name in the bottom. That way that's not in my photo. And boom, look how nice that looks. Done. I'll give you another example. Say you don't have a car, but you got a building, you got a ground, put it on. Boom. Put it on the ground. Take a photo. And I'll pull it up and show you. Exact same thing. You pull up the app, then you go ahead and find the photo, and it'll scan it. Just going to go ahead and remove the background. And then you can save it. But I also want to show you some other things you can do here. So you can actually adjust the size of the image, make it bigger, smaller. You can turn it upside down, different angles. You can go and you can actually change the background. If it was a white shirt, you want a black background or a color background. You can change texture, so it's a textured background. You can do different colors and texture. You can put wood fencing or snow or a city. They have all kinds of things. So you can use this for more than just reselling. on eBay, Poshmark, and all that. You can just use it for your actual photos. But, you know, if you're selling online, you want to stick with the traditional white background for dark colored things and then black background for white images, just because it's going to be what everybody wants. Again, you go ahead and click save it, and it is in your photo album. So then you can just open up your photos and boom, there it is, a nice ready to go image. Then you edit and just crop it up. That takes care of the watermark, and you are left with a perfect white background. And voila, there's 2 examples out in the wild. Drop it, take a pic, change the background, get it listed. Or you can do what I did. Last night, I have some of my inventory that has been sitting for a little bit, and I noticed, again, with the whole eBay wanting to switch more like Amazon, I went and changed the main photo with the white background. Not the rest I left alone. Just sold a pair of shoes while making this. Changed the white background, and when I woke up this morning, 3 of the pair from my last video, like I said earlier, had already sold. I sold the Nike Free Run 5s, Nike Flex Contact, and the Hoka 1s. I think these are the Stinson ATRs. Anyway, 24 hours, changed the white background, and sold. Now again, you gotta take good pictures, make sure your description, use all the other stuff, but I really think that this app is going to help generate sales by having every main photo white and looking very professional. Let me just jump in here real quick, because I really don't feel like you guys understand the excitement of what I'm saying here. This means no more production lights or having to buy light kits or backdrops or try to find the best room in the house to get lighting or outside or anything like that. This is a game changer. You don't need anything but the app. Light! I need light! Lights. More lights. Lights. Christian, I need more lights!
Like this?
Yes, thank you. Lights. Oh, precious light. I'm gonna have the best photos on eBay. Oh, lights. If you are excited, like I am, about this app and what it might be able to do for your reselling on Poshmark, Shopify, eBay, Facebook, Instagram stories, however you use it. Again, I made the thumbnail for this video with that. There's so many things you can do, and again, it's free, so why not take advantage of it? I know a lot of people use, remove.bg, which is also a great app, but I think it's actually on a computer. I don't know if you can use it on your phone. This is an actual app you can download. Again, it's PhotoRoom. I'll put the little thing again here. Bing! Like, share, subscribe. Again, guys, I'm kind of slowly building this. Only 380 subscribers. The people that do subscribe, I appreciate you very much. I would love to continue to grow and build more of a following on here and put out better content. You know, try to do 2 videos a week and try to grow this. I love thrifting. I love treasure hunting, and I love trying different things out and showing people that it is possible to make money, even if it's just a side hustle. When I started this channel, I was a full-time reseller, and I was using the money I made from thrifting to fund my pest control company. 3 years in, I am now at the point where my pest control company is my main source of income, and thrifting is now my hobby or my side hustle. I use this money to go on vacations. We just went to Florida for a week. And I use it to eat out and buy toys for the kids and just do the fun stuff in life. So it is possible, even if you're just trying to make $500 a month to pay your car note that you can't make at your regular job. It's very possible. I would love to teach people or show people how to do it 100% free. You're never gonna get a course from me. You're never gonna get any kind of bullshit. Sorry, BS. I try to be 100% transparent. If you have questions, I will always respond. Well, that's it, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your friends. There's no way to grow my channel organically other than by you telling people, hey, watch this weirdo with all the tattoos and a shitload of kids. He knows how to make money. All right, peace.